Hi class, this is Trisha Greenwood and I'm going to explain about the shapes I made. So I have a really big test in one of my other classes and that forced me to procrastinate a little bit and spend a little more time with my CSS shapes than necessary to complete this assignment. So using this website, the CSS tricks and tips site, I used this egg as inspiration. An egg is inspiration, you may be thinking? Well, I love chickens. I love all animals, livestock, all that. But chickens are a lot of fun. So I decided to try and make a chicken. So I put together a little HTML. I connected my style sheet here. And I put my shapes div and the egg div for the styling, and then my chicken pieces to try and put them together. So here's my CSS. I have my body styled, then I have the shapes with just a little padding. The egg is basically the same as I pulled off their website. I did add padding and margin to it. Then the chick is the overall div, and then I have my chicken body, my chicken beak, my chicken head, and the tail. So using CSS to make the different shapes, and I use the positioning to put them in the places I want. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I ended up making. So which came first, the chicken or the egg? You may be thinking to yourself, that doesn't look much like a chicken. And you're right. It's because as I was making it, I decided it looked better as a bluebird than as a chicken. So if we go to inspect element, we can come down, and I am going to go to the style editor, and I'm going to find my egg because a bluebird egg is not white. I'm going to change it to powder blue. And we have a little bit more of a bluebird looking egg to match my little bluebird here. So just to demonstrate and walk you through this real quick, I'm going to show you a little bit about what I did. So my chicken body, I use relative positioning actually on all the pieces so that it is, it moves with the screen. And I'm going to show you on the beak because I'm not liking where the beak is sitting, kind of how I styled it. So right now I have it positioned 70 pixels from the bottom and 12 pixels from the right. But I want to move the beak just a little bit higher. So I changed that to 75 and that moved my beak up a little bit. And I like that a little bit more. But let's think about moving it out. Let's try 7. No, let's go with 12. Maybe try 15. Be helpful if I put the 1 in front. There we go. That's what I like. It's just kind of on the edge there. So you can see from just the beak here, I took the triangle elements that they used in this shape of CSS, and I changed the color and I changed the border of it so that it was a little skinnier and a little longer, and allowed it to make this beak shape. The chicken head, I did the same thing. I just took a circle and I changed it a little bit more into an oval shape just by squishing the height down a little bit, and then positioned it relative also. You can see how I've positioned it there. And then the tail was kind of fun because I couldn't really decide where I wanted to put it. So I took a triangle, reshaped it a little bit, and moved it around until I liked it. So as you can see from my positioning here and my CSS, that I was able to use those shapes, change their colors and positions and sizes a little bit to just make a little bird shape. I actually had a lot of fun going through all the colors. Do you know there's 147 CSS colors that you can use? It was kind of cool. So I hope you enjoyed my quick tutorial, and I hope you guys learned a lot as well. Thanks.